guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about what does it mean if your bird is sleeping on one foot. Now, being a worried bird owner, when Gerwin did this for the first time, I was terrified. I thought that she was hurt, I thought she was injured, I thought something was wrong. I was like, is she sick? And no, it just turns out basically birds do this when they're trying to keep their other foot warm, and it kind of makes sense, like, to try and keep one foot warm. I mean, I just thought they would sit down and then both feet would be warm, but apparently that's easier. And they just do this to keep one foot warm, and eventually every now and then they'll switch them so that they're keeping both feet warm. So if your bird's sleeping one foot, unless of course they're like hopping around, if they're just sleeping on one foot and the other foot works fine when they're walking, they're fine. They're just sleeping, and that's how they like to sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!